Hello, Mr. Franken. It's very nice to meet you here in your studio, Franken Architekten. I want to ask you something about our project, Global Local. First, please tell me something about your company and your work.
Well, we are an office based in Frankfurt and in Hanoi in Vietnam. We are doing projects on different scales. Many projects are based in brand space, means space for communication for big brands like BMW. But in the architectural branch, we are working on projects like high-rise buildings going up to 50 floors.
Very interesting. So, what is your relationship to the German Designer Club?
What makes the German Designer Club special is that it is interdisciplinary. So we have people from graphic design, from communication design, and architects and industrial designers all together in one organization. And since we are working in the different fields, we thought it would be appropriate for us to join the DDC.
Thank you. So you work in the group together with other architects and designers from Germany and Japan, and together with companies from Japan in our project Global Local. What was your idea to participate in this project?
Well, since anyway we work on a global scale, and since I love Japan, I thought it's a magnificent chance to work together, and especially with the Japanese craftsmanship. And so we thought this would be a challenge on one hand, but a big chance on the other to do something extraordinary.
Please tell me something about your concept, the Voronoi chair.
We learned that the Japanese companies involved are experts in working with wood. Wood for a long time in human history was the only material capable of handling both pressure and tension. And because of this, it was possible to use it as construction material. The base for this ability is that it consists of cellular structure. Actually, in the office we right now have different projects working with the concept of cells, of cellular structures, described by the mathematical function of Voronoi. For example, this building consists completely of different cells, and the structure and the filling is all made from Voronoi cells. So we started with a complete full cell, and to make it a chair, we cut out different facets of the chair. So we got like a shell, and then we used this as the base for the form, and then the different facets of the shell were again divided into small cells. And finally, the filling of the cells itself had the same shape. So from big shape to small shape, it's all consistent in the Voronoi structure. And what makes this special is that you kind of feel that everything in this form is interconnected, because everything consists of the same cellular structure. What makes this different from normal chairs is that in normal chairs you have the concept of symmetry, like the human body, which is always symmetrical. The chair itself is not symmetrical. Still it looks balanced because of the mathematical structure. Everything in itself seems to be proportionate. So it's not serving the paradigm of symmetry, but it's still a balanced structure.
Mr. Franken, how do you see the cooperation and work process together with the Japanese company of Global Local?
Well, it's really a fantastic chance to have the opportunity to work with such good craftsmanship. As it is, in our team in Germany, we have people from Malaysia, we have a German-American girl, we have Germans, so even in our office we have an international team. And then we work with Japanese, but our common language is in a way the digital. It's in a way the drawing. It's in a way the specifications of the design. And since this is the common language, what we sent to them was 3D digital models, and they looked at it and they thought about how could this be done in reality. And this they do in a precision and with a craftsmanship which is hard to find in Europe. So I think that this collaboration is producing a final product which is unique in the sense that it's combining, in a way, very German, precise, but still emotional, mathematical, somehow maybe even strange design with the Japanese way of craftsmanship, of getting things done, of really working with the material, with a deep understanding of the material, and with a sense of beauty which lies in craftsmanship. And so I'm really looking forward to see the final result.
Yeah. So I thank you for this interview.